The Verigen's BimlFlex custom SSIS components needs to be available for both building and running BimlFlex SSIS packages. The installation media and source code is available from the open source Biml catalog repository. Download the zip file for the SQL Server version you are using. Once downloaded, uncompress it and locate the install.bat file. Run the install file as an administrator to allow it to install the components on the computer. Once installed, the components will have been copied to the relevant folders as well as to the Windows Global Assembly Cache. This installation is on a 32-bit SQL Serverless development environment. It will fail to copy the components to the 64-bit folder. This is expected. The copy process to the 32-bit folder was successful, and the installation to the GAC was successful. We can now build and run packages using BimlFlex.